Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APRI. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that I don't think anybody can argue against the fact that basically late here in the afternoon and then the remainder of the day, the price made a very, very nice move. Like I said, I don't think anybody can say, no, that wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good move. But that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level right here at the $1.25 mark. Why is $1.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that being, said, and like I said, hopefully we're all agreeing on that, think about $1.25. Any sort of closes below $1.25 or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range here where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it'll do this, but let's just pretend, bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in that pretty drastic situation? Well, even with the drastic situation, you'd still have a set of lows right here. This previous set of lows would be right there, and if you picture each one of those as stair steps, their stair steps would still be going in the overall upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do over time, put in those higher lows. Now, ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.40, let's see, what is that? $1.47, that would definitely be the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below $1.47 that everything's ruined or anything like that. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, we're going to change to a new time frame. So here we are looking at the daily time frame, and now in this case, each one of these does indeed represent a day. So you can see today, massive volume, huge price action. So next potential area of resistance, right there at about $1.75, which is essentially right where the price closed today. Right there, you can see looking back here, had some previous highs right up around there. After the $1.75 mark, next key level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average. Right now valued at 222, but that is a moving average, so it's going to change with time. But all in all, no doubt about it, very, very nice way to start off the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.